This video I'm going to be talking about how to make a steam engine. So just click the steam engine, bada bing bada boom, makes gears. We just need mostly just a bunch of iron for the steam engine. Steam engine is just a bunch of iron. We make the steam engine. Okay, we're going to set it down. We got to rotate it just like that. Boom. And then okay, so we're going to have to change that. Put down some pipe. And then put down a new steam engine. Whoops. Messed that one up. Put down a boiler first. And then put down the steam engine. Just like that. And now we have two steam engines. Put some coal in a boiler. And there you go. That's how you make a steam engine.